Children, welcome to class 1 computers. This is our computer book IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes, computer series 1. So children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 4 of this book. So children, chapter 4 is places where computers are found. So children, in this chapter we have already studied about the different places where computers are found and the work done at different places using the computer, that also we have understood. So children, we have completed the chapter. We have done self-evaluation also. We were doing book exercise of this chapter. So children, we had done question number A, B. We will revise question number A and B, and then we will start the next exercises, next questions of the exercises which are left. So children, let us start. Let us start book exercise of chapter 4, which we have already done in our previous video. Today we are going to revise it. So children, our first question is tick the correct answer. So children, here is our first question, that is tick the correct option. Under this topic children, we have 3 questions, and first question is at dash computers are used for preparing exam result. So children, where do you prepare exam results? Where do you prepare exam result? Children, we prepare exam results in schools. As we give exams in schools, we prepare exam results in school. So here you will put tick in front of school. As we have 3 options here, first one is school, B is office, C is bank. So children, we prepare exam results in school. So you will put tick in front of school. And remaining 2 options children, office we don't give exam, or neither we prepare result. In banks also we don't give exam, neither we prepare result. So children, first option school is the right answer. At shop, second one, at shop a computer help in dash bills. At shop a computer helps in dash bills. So children, as we know, we have computers in shops also. And do you know why we have computers in shops? We have already studied this in the chapter, that in shops we keep the record of stock as well as we print bill using the computer. That is why here we have 3 options. First one is playing. We don't need computer for playing in shops. We don't need computer in drawing for in shops. ना तो हम शॉप्स में प्ले करने के लिए कंप्यूटर को रखते हैं, ना ऑप्शन बी ड्राइंग करने के लिए रखते हैं. वी नीड कंप्यूटर्स इन शॉप्स फॉर प्रिंटिंग द बिल. सो हियर वी हैव option C, printing. So here you will write printing bills, PRINTING, printing bills. So children, third one is 3. At railway stations, computers help in booking tickets. So children, what do we do at railway station with computers? At railway station, computers are used for booking. Booking के साथ ticket होगा. So you will write here ticket. And children, the remaining 2 options, that is fees and recording. There is no connection or no work such as fees in the railway station. हमें fees से कोई मतलब नहीं है railway station पे, ना ही recording से मतलब है. So here the answer is for booking tickets. So let us read it once again. So children, our first question was at dash computers are used for preparing exam results. So you will put tick in front of school. As we prepare exam results in school, you will put a tick in front of school. At shop, a computer helps in dash bills. At shop children, computer are used for printing bills. So you will put a tick in front of printing. Then third one children, at railway station, computers help in booking tickets. So you will put a tick in front of tickets. Now children, question number B. In question number B children, we have guess the place where the computers are used in these statements. So children, as we studied in the book chapter, that there are different places where computers are needed as per their need and requirement, we have different types of computer at different places. So children, let us find out the at which all places computers are used for what all purposes. So some places are given and the purpose is also given. So according to the purpose, we will write the answer given in the box. So the answer which are given in the box are not given completely. Some of the letters are given for the hints. बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें पहले तो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि गेस करना है हमें कि all these works, the works which are given here are done in which place. Accordingly you are going to write the answer or name of the place where these works are done. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए, लेटर्स दिए हैं एज अ हिंट. वी आर गोइंग टू रीड आउट the statement given here, and according to that we will find out the answer. And for answer also we have given some of the hints. For example, some of the letters are already given here. So first one is help to keep record in library. So first of all children, where do you find library? Where do you find library? We have libraries in other places also. For example, we have in colonies or in societies also we have library. But here as we can see, the hint given is SHL, and SHL is part of the school. School में ये सारे letters होते हैं. So the answer here is library. Help to keep record. As we know and as I have told while teaching the chapter, that the school libraries have computers to keep the record of the books in their library. जो books होती हैं library में उनका record रखने के लिए libraries have computer. So these libraries are found in school, and the hint also tells us that it is school. So you will write here SCHOOL, school. This is school. Now second question children, 2 helps in typing letters. So children, as we have studied in the chapter, I have also told you letters are typed in offices. So and here the clue also shows first letter is O, F, C, and these letters come in the word office or the place office. So you will write here OFFICE, office. Then help in making bills. As I told you just now, in shops we have computers to make bill or to print bill. So and the spelling also shows SHO is given and last will be P. So you will write here SHOP, shop. SHOP, shop. Then children, next one is helps in preparing medical report. So children, where do we prepare medical report? Where do we prepare medical report? We prepare medical reports in the hospital. So H, I and last में L है. This shows that it is hospital. So HOSPITAL. Answer is hospital. Now children, last one is helps in booking tickets. So children, as we know, tickets are booked at 2 places. One is railway station and the other is airport. So let us see what is the option. Here A, the first letter is air. It can't be railway station. So it is air. P भी है और T भी है last में. तो it is airport. So helps in booking ticket at airport. So you will write here AIRPORT, airport. So this is airport. So children, let us revise it. First one children, helps to keep record in library, that is school. Helps in typing letters, that is office. Helps in making bills, that is shop. Helps in preparing medical report, that is hospital. Helps in booking tickets, that is airport. So बच्चों, हम कहाँ कहाँ पे कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं? In this chapter we have studied about the places where you have computers, and at different places we have different purpose of the computer or uses of computer. So according to their uses, we have found the answer and completed this question. So coming to the next question, children, next question number C is true and false. You will write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here the space is given. Now First one is, children, as you can see on your screen, first is computers are used for teaching. So children, as we have studied in the chapter, that we use computers for teaching as well as learning purpose in the schools. So here the statement is computers are used for teaching is true. So you will write here T. Now second one is, children, computers can keep the record of fees at school. As we know, the fees is deposited by the students in the school. So these computers are used at school for keeping the record of fee. So you will write here this statement is also true, and you will write here T for true. Then computers cannot be used at shops. Is it true, children, that computers cannot be used at shops? No, children, it is a false statement. As we know, computers are also used at shops for printing the bill. Sorry, children, third one. In third we have third one. Computers are helpful in offices. So children, yes, as we know, computer does many tasks or the work in the offices. So computers are also helpful in offices. कंप्यूटर हमें ऑफिस में भी कई तरह से मदद करता है, इसलिए यह स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है, एंड यू विल राइट टी ओवर हियर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट चिल्ड्रन वी हैव computers cannot be used at shops. Computers cannot be used at shops. Computer shops में नहीं use होगा. This statement is wrong. As we know, in shops also computers are used for printing the bills as well as for keeping the stock of the things or the goods or the stock available at the shop. So in the shops, computers are used for printing bills as well as for keeping the record of the stock or maintaining the stock. That is why it is used at the shop, and cannot be used is wrong. That is why you will write here F. F for false. Now computers help at railway stations. Computers also help us at railway station. So you will write T for true here. As we know, at railway station we use computers for booking the tickets. At railway station we use the computers for booking the ticket. So this statement is true. Then we have computers cannot be used for booking tickets at the airport. So same as railway station, at airport also we book the tickets. So in both the sentences, first one, as we know children, computers help at railway station is true. Computers cannot be used for booking the tickets at airport is false. As we know, at railway station as well as airport, both the places we use computers to book the tickets. So here you will write false. The word cannot is wrong here. The cannot has changed the complete meaning of the sentence. So you will write here false. So once again we'll repeat the same. Here, computers are used for teaching. This is true. Computers can keep the record of fees at school is also true. Computers are helpful in offices is true. Computers cannot be used at shops is false. Computers help at railway stations is true. Computers cannot be used for keeping tickets at the airport is false. So this is all with question number C. Now children, solve the crossword puzzle. Here we have crossword puzzle. So children, solve the crossword puzzle. Here we have so children, first one is diagnosing the disease. Children, where do we diagnose the disease? Diagnosing the disease. Where do we diagnose the disease? We diagnose the disease at hospital. We have studied in the chapter also कि हमें कोई बीमारी होती है, हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, तो हमारी बीमारी का पता लगाने के लिए भी, अगर कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बीमारी है तो हमारी बीमारी का पता लगाने के लिए डॉक्टर्स किस चीज़ का यूज़ करते हैं? कंप्यूटर्स का यूज़ करते हैं. So the first one, here it is written first one, and the first, here also we have first one, and here also we have one. So the answer of one will be written here, hospital, H, and the clues also shows it is hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. It becomes hospital. It becomes hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. Now, surfing the internet, as we have studied in the chapter also, we use computers, or we use computers to find out something, or for surfing the internet. This work is done at home. So here we have 2, and it is written here 2. So the answer of 2, surfing internet, is home. We surf internet at home. So you write HOME, home. Now, third one, children. Reserving tickets. Where do we reserve ticket? We reserve tickets at airport. So A, 3, and here also we have 3. IRPORT, airport. So at airport we reserve the ticket. Now, depositing and withdrawing money. Fourth one is depositing and withdrawing money. Fourth one here, the answer of fourth one is, where do we withdraw money, deposit or withdraw money? We deposit or withdraw money at bank. Here it is 4, and here it is written 4. So answer will be written here, BANK, bank. So children, first one, diagnosing the disease, is is hospital. A, this will be written here. This is 1, surfing internet, home, that is written 2, HOME, home. Reserving tickets, airport, 3, AIRPORT, airport. Depositing and withdrawing money is BANK, bank. So we deposit and withdraw money in the bank. So you will write BANK, bank. तो डिजीज़ डायग्नोस करने के लिए वी गो टू द हॉस्पिटल. सो फर्स्ट वाले में हमने हॉस्पिटल लिखा है, और जो ऑप्शंस दिए थे, क्लूज दिए थे, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ऑल्सो इट इज़ हॉस्पिटल. सर्फिंग इंटरनेट वी डू एट होम. सो यू विल राइट हियर इन 2, यू विल राइट H इज़ ऑलरेडी गिवन, OME, होम. उसके बाद रिजर्विंग टिकट. रिजर्विंग टिकट में वी हैव एयरपोर्ट, AIRPORT. We reserve tickets at 2 places. One is railway station and other is airport. The clues A and P shows that it is not railway station but airport. So we have written airport here. Depositing and withdrawing money is bank. We can withdraw and deposit money in the bank. So you will write here BANK, bank. So this is all with question number D. Now coming to question number E. So children, as we know, in most of the chapters, question number E, we have question number E as application based question. So children, as we have learned something here in this chapter which we can apply in our life, that is why in all the chapters we have question number E as application based question. In application based question, children, whatever we have studied in the chapter, we apply it in our life. We apply it in our day to day life. तो हम जो भी सीखते हैं चैप्टर में, क्योंकि ये टेक्नोलॉजी है, कंप्यूटर के बारे में जो भी हम सीखते हैं उसे हम अपने लाइफ में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ये इस क्वेश्चन में होता है. क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन जो होता है वो सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होता है, तो उसके हिसाब से हम सिचुएशन को समझते हैं और फिर अपने नॉलेज को यहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं. तो लेट अस सी. एट योर फादर्स ऑफिस यू सॉ him using a computer. At your father's office you saw at your father's office you saw him using a computer. Tell your father, Shreya, for what purpose it was being used there. Tell your friend Shreya for what purpose it was being used there. So children, as we have learnt the applications of computer in the office, that We use computers in office for typing letters and printing them. We use computer for sending and receiving mails. We use computers for keeping the record of employee working in that office. तो हम जो कंप्यूटर का यूज़ ऑफिस में करते हैं वो एक तो लेटर टाइप करने के लिए या उसे प्रिंट करने के लिए, दूसरा मेल भेजने और सेंड करने के लिए या फिर रिसीव करने के लिए, या फिर हम एम्प्लॉय जो वर्क करते हैं, जो लोग उस ऑफिस में वर्क करते हैं, उनका रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए करते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें यू कैन टेल योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो दैट इन माई फादर्स ऑफिस यू हैव सीन द कंप्यूटर यूज्ड फॉर these purposes. So these purposes, so you will tell your friend Shreya that these are the purposes which we do in my which my father does in his office using the computer, or the other people also in his office does all these functions for using the computer. तो आप अपने फादर के ऑफिस में ये सारे काम होते हुए आपने देखा है, आपने बुक में भी पढ़ा है, तो आप अपने फ्रेंड को बता सकते हो कि जो मेरे फादर के ऑफिस में कंप्यूटर है, इससे वो ये सारे काम करते हैं, जैसे कि लेटर टाइप करने के लिए, फिर उसे प्रिंट करने के लिए, मेल सेंड करने के लिए और रिसीव करने के लिए, उसके बाद जो भी एम्प्लॉय हैं उस ऑफिस में उनका रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए. सो दीज आर द वर्क्स विच वी डू इन द ऑफिसेस यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. So children, I hope you are able to understand. Now children, here we have some lab activities. As I can't take you to the lab, but we can discuss these points, some of the points which come under this question here. So children, it is given, take the students to that area of the school where computers are used and explain its use there as taught in the chapter. So children, as we know कि in the schools we have computer at different places. So firstly children, we have computers in the in our school at different places, as you have seen in your school also. So children, as we know, we have in schools we have computers at different places for different purposes. As you must have seen children, in computer lab we have computers for teaching and learning purpose. Children learn computer using the computer, whereas teachers using the computer. और जैसा कि आप जानते हो, स्कूल में बहुत सारे प्लेसेस हैं जहाँ पे हमें कंप्यूटर देखने को मिल सकता है, वहाँ पे कंप्यूटर यूज़ होते हैं, उनसे अलग अलग काम होते हैं. आपने देखा होगा आपके कंप्यूटर लैब में कंप्यूटर है, वहाँ पे वी स्टूडेंट्स गो फॉर लर्निंग in the computer lab using the computer, whereas teachers teaches us different things using the computer. तो टीचर्स हमें कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करके पढ़ाते हैं और जो बच्चे हैं वो सीखते हैं. उसके बाद we can see in the library also, as I have told you children, in the library we use computer in order to keep the record of books available in the लाइब्रेरी. जो भी हमारे लाइब्रेरी में बुक्स होता है उसका रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए हम कंप्यूटर्स को यूज़ करते हैं इन द लाइब्रेरी. सो लाइब्रेरी इज़ ऑल्सो इन द स्कूल. सो दिस इज़ एंड ऑल्सो द issue and deposition of the book record is also kept in the लाइब्रेरी. जैसे कि आप लोग कभी इशू करवाते हो, फिर उसको डिपॉजिट करते हो, टीचर्स इशू कराते हैं और डिपॉजिट करते हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ों का रिकॉर्ड हम लाइब्रेरी में कंप्यूटर के थ्रू ही मेंटेन करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट चिल्ड्रन, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द कंप्यूटर्स इन principal office also. Principal also use computer in order to receive and send the mails to different institutions related to the school, as well as to different school, to receive the messages from different schools and even to send it to get some information. And then children, computers are also used to send report to the parents. It is also used to send homeworks to the parents. It is also used to prepare the question paper. It is used to feed the marks. As you know, the result which we get is prepared through the computer only. तो कंप्यूटर में हम जो भी अगर कोई नोटिस भेजना है पेरेंट्स को, उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं स्नैप होमवर्क. हम कंप्यूटर से ही यूज़ करते हैं. स्नैप होमवर्क के अलावा हम डिजिकैम, जैसे हमारा मार्क्स, हमारे स्कूल की बात अगर हम करें तो हमारा मार्क्स फीड होता है डिजिकैम से, हमारे रिजल्ट्स बनते हैं, ये सारे हम कंप्यूटर के थ्रू ही करते हैं। तो ये सारे काम हम स्कूल में करते हैं। उसके बाद चिल्ड्रन, इन स्कूल ऑफिस ऑल्सो वी हैव कंप्यूटर। अब स्कूल ऑफिस में कंप्यूटर हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? स्कूल ऑफिस में हम कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे काम होते हैं। वहाँ पे पहले तो स्कूल का अकाउंट मेंटेन करने के लिए जो भी एक्सपेंसेस है, जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उन सब के एक्सपेंसेस मेंटेन करने के लिए। उसके बाद जो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं उनका फ़ीस का रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करने के लिए, डिपोजिशन का, किसने किया किसने नहीं किया, कितना किया, ये सारे चीज़ों का रिकॉर्ड हम कंप्यूटर में ही रखते हैं। उसके अलावा द एम्प्लॉयज़ ऑफ आर स्कूल, whether teachers or other staffs which are there in the school, their record is also maintained through the computers. Other than these children, in labs and all also we have computers. Then children, in schools we do all the sending and receiving messages, and then after that we send any notice related to the school also, that school is closed or open on a particular occasion, or suddenly if school is wants to inform anything to the student, all these are done through the computer only. So at different places we have different computers in school also, and in school also at different places we do different types of works. तो ये हमें लैब में जाके आपको बताना था, या जगह जगह जहाँ जहाँ कंप्यूटर स्कूल में है वहाँ जाके बताना था, बट at this time it is not possible for us to take you to these places as you are not coming to the school. So children, I have told you orally and you know all these places very well, as we have studied about these places in the chapter also. तो कंप्यूटर लैब होता है जहाँ पे कि हम कंप्यूटर में प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं। जो चीज़ें मैं आपको बोल के पढ़ा रही हूँ वो सारी चीज़ें हम करके वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकली हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, इसलिए कंप्यूटर लैब में वी हैव कंप्यूटर। इन कंप्यूटर लैब्स टीचर टीचर्स all about the computer, practically tells us how to do these things, and the students learns. तो learning और teaching का काम lab में हम करते हैं। उसके बाद principal office में we have computer to receive the mails or for sending the mails, and also in we have computers in library. In library children, we keep the record of the books available in the school library. ठीक है। उसके बाद इन ऑफिस, क्लर्क ऑफिस ऑल्सो वी हैव कंप्यूटर्स। इन क्लर्क ऑफिस चिल्ड्रन वी हैव मेनी tasks which we do using the computer. We maintain the account of the school, we keep the record of the fees deposited by the students, we keep the record of the employee present in the school, working in the school, we send notices to the parents, we receives mails there also. Then in office we also do lot many works which we may not know also. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो इंटरनल हैं उनके, उसके बारे में हम जानते भी नहीं। यानी स्कूल से रिलेटेड जो भी एक्सपेंसेस हैं प्लस जो भी हमारे स्कूल में चीज़ें हैं उन सब का रिकॉर्ड हम अपने कंप्यूटर में ही रखते हैं और उसे मेंटेन करते हैं इन द स्कूल ऑफिस. सो चिल्ड्रन, एंड समटाइम्स वी मे हैव कंप्यूटर्स इन आर स्कूल लैब्स ऑल्सो. साइंस लैब में हो सकता है या फिर मैथ्स लैब में भी कंप्यूटर्स हो सकते हैं. और स्टाफ रूम्स में भी हमारे पास कंप्यूटर है चिल्ड्रन. स्टाफ रूम में कंप्यूटर हम रखते हैं फॉर द टीचर्स. टीचर्स यूज़ दिस कंप्यूटर्स फॉर फीडिंग द अटेंडेंस. डेली का अटेंडेंस डालने के लिए, क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाना है तो दे यूज़ दिस कंप्यूटर. अगर मार्क्स फीड करने हैं बच्चों के तो वो कंप्यूटर की यूज़ करते हैं. रिज़ल्ट एग्ज़ाम शेल में हमारे पास कंप्यूटर होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्कूल के सारे बच्चों का, सारे क्लासेस का रिज़ल्ट प्रिंट होता है. सो बहुत सारे जगह पे हमें स्कूल में भी कंप्यूटर देखने को मिल सकते हैं और हम इनसे बहुत सब जगह अलग अलग काम करते हैं. तो दिस इज़ the answer of this question children. In this way children, we have completed the chapter, and we have in this chapter we have studied all about the places where we have computer. In the previous chapter we had studied about the different work done by the computer, and in this chapter we have studied about the places where these computers are found. So as we know, the computers are found at home, it is found in the school, it is found in the offices, and it is found at shop, hospital, in bank, railway station, and airport. So these are the places where we can find computer. So children, I hope you must have understood all about the computer, about the places where these computers are found, and the different tasks which these computers do at different places. So with this children, we have come to the end of this video. Read the chapter, learn book exercises, and go through all the difficult words in the chapter. So children, with this, thank you. We will meet again in our next video.